Today we're in our cold storage unit. Just to show you the space some of the space we use. These are bales getting ready to go out on a container today, so it gives us room so we can sort it out. The pellets are stacked and palletized and ready to go out. We'll be loading a container here in a little bit. Just kind of wanted to give you guys a glimpse at this cold storage unit inside. The space is approximately 100 by 150, and it works out relatively well. We keep our temperatures about 29 degrees because that's where Budweiser likes to see their hops stored at, and we store some from them also. Going into the other cold room, we shut it down because it's starting to empty out. So we just go into a smaller section, so we don't have to keep the whole area cold. We just keep a portion of it. And this kind of gives you an idea how they're stacked. They'll even be one higher when it's full, but for right now, we don't need the room, so we brought them down. And I don't know if you can see my breath in here or not, but this one here is about 28 degrees right now, so it's chilly, and it makes the hops last longer the colder you keep them, so that's what we do. At harvest time, we stencil the bales. This BR is for Bravo. This 399 is our grower number for Puttebaugh Farms. It's grown on the 9th year, which was 09, so you got your 9, and this is the lot number, is lot 38, of course, and then you're federally inspected. Right here, this stamp is what the state comes and puts on, so you'll know the cleanness and the quality of hop that you're going to get. And then we test the bales for moisture and temperature both before we put them into the cold storage. We like to have them under 80 degrees before we put them in, and about between 7.5 to 10% moisture. If they're not, we'll have to redo them. So that's another way to keep track of them. And then the number on the side here, this number 12, that's a weigh number. We weigh each bale so we can write down 1 through whatever the lot is. Usually we try to keep them in 200 bale lots. So this one happens to be number 12 of a 200 bale lot. And you can go back and find out what that bale weighs, see if we got any problems or not. So, and then that helps when they pick them also, or select them, I guess I should say, that they say, yeah, I selected lot or bale number 11 from lot 32. You can go pull that particular bale out of the inventory that we keep.